Where to find work. Last time we looked at what to sell and what businesses usually pay for. Now the question is, where do you find clients? When it comes to automation projects, most opportunities appear in 4 main channels, each with different effort, speed, and earning potential. Start with the 3 F's, family, friends, fool, to try your first 3 to 5 projects and build case studies. Next, Fiverr helps you build reviews and samples. Upwork allows you to scale your income and find long-term clients, while LinkedIn positions you for premium high-trust projects. These 4 channels form the core of your client-finding strategy. Main project categories. Most N8N projects on freelance platforms fall into 4 main buckets: customer support, voice and calling, sales and leads, and email and communication. These categories repeat across briefs and platforms. Understanding them early helps you recognize opportunities and prepare solutions that clients want. Real examples and pricing details make it easier to target the right projects and start building your portfolio. Fiverr. Build your reputation. Once you've completed a few small wins, head to Fiverr. This platform works best for straightforward, well-defined tasks that you can describe in one clear sentence. Examples clients often look for include setting up a chatbot for FAQs, connecting forms to a CRM, and automating basic lead follow-ups. Every completed order builds your public reputation through reviews, which makes the next order easier to get. Fiverr is your first step toward a visible portfolio and credibility online. Upwork. Scale your income. After building visible proof, Upwork is the next platform. Upwork clients usually have ongoing work and more complex systems. Common requests include leads not flowing correctly between tools, support teams struggling to keep up, and data duplication issues. Upwork is where you find longer projects, retainers, and higher budgets. These clients value clarity, experience, and reliability, making it an ideal place to scale your income and deepen your expertise. LinkedIn. Premium positioning. LinkedIn works differently from platforms. Here, clients look for someone they can trust, clear communication, solid thinking, and ongoing support. You don't need to be a creator. Share small, practical wins, workflows that save teams hours, quick breakdowns of problem-solving methods, or simple before and after comparisons of processes. Over time, founders and managers see your work in their feed and reach out. LinkedIn positions you for premium, high-trust projects that go beyond one-off tasks. Beyond platforms. Get creative. You're not limited to these channels. Successful freelancers find clients everywhere. Email local businesses offering free automation audits. Visit stores during slow hours to identify time-wasting tasks. Join industry communities like Slack or Discord and help for free. Partner with agencies that need automation, or create educational content such as YouTube tutorials. Go where your potential clients are. Demonstrate your value and follow up consistently. Pricing your work. Your rate depends on 3 main factors: results, speed, and reliability. Charge for results, not just tasks. Clients pay for impact, like saving 15 hours per week or reducing errors. Charge for speed. Completing a project in 1 week can add 20 to 30% to your base rate. Rush projects in 3 days can increase 50 to 100%. Charge for reliability. Clear communication, on-time delivery, and quick fixes build trust and increase value. And charge for proof as you complete more projects. Your rate grows from around 50% of market rate for 0 projects to 150 to 200% for 20 or more. Every finished project increases what you can charge next. Key takeaways. You have 4 main client channels: 3F Network, Fiverr, Upwork, and LinkedIn. Start with the 3 F's to get your first 3 to 5 projects and real case studies. Use Fiverr and Upwork to build reviews, income, and long-term client relationships. Use LinkedIn and direct outreach to attract premium, high-trust projects. Remember, your rate grows with results, reliability, portfolio, and specialization, not just years of experience. Now you know what automation is, who needs it, what they buy, and where to find your first clients. You're ready to move into hands-on work in the next module and start building real automations in N8N.